Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Fall, and today in this video we are going to react to top 100 S-tier anime openings. I never reacted to that in my channel ever, so today we are going to react to it and rate it from 1 to 10, the video. And also the openings themselves, I will just react to the 5 seconds of it. I don't know if there will be 10 seconds or 15 seconds of it, but I will rate the thing I heard. Okay, so please get this video to 20 likes, I'll be happy, and let's start the video. The first opening is Fairy Tail, which is really interesting. I'm looking this way because my screen is this way, so it's very cool. Let's react to it. I don't have much to say. Not bad, okay. It's like 5 of 10. Wow, the singing is good. I would rate 7. Okay, good one. 8. I like the screaming. Wow, such a good opening. Yay! Yay! 10. I'm a Naruto fan, I'm sorry. Peak. I like this song so much. 10. No, okay, not 10. 9. 9. I like the song and the singing. 8.5, I guess. Okay, is it good? Ooh, such a good sound. 9, probably 9. Don't know, 8, I guess. I'll react to every single one of them eventually, fully. I just hate copyright so much. Good guitar. Sounds good, sounds retro, you know. I would say 7. Good. Faith Zero. Wow. Ooh. Wow, what is this voice? I like it. Okay, 9 too. 9.5. Should I react to this opening? Oh my god. Yu-Gi-Oh? I don't know what to say. I guess 6. This is the lowest one. I don't know. Doesn't hype me. I guess 6 again. Oh, good voice. Good, really good voice. 7. My teeth hurt. Okay. So I'm trying to understand what the fuck is going on. 6. I don't know. It doesn't do something for me. Ooh. I think 7. Wait. Isn't there an opening of Vinland Saga by these guys? Am I wrong? I reacted to Villain Saga openings. I reacted, but I don't remember. There was one that was really good, and I don't remember if it's this one though. It's this group. I don't know. Let's just react. Okay, 7 as I said. This was not bad. I feel the hype. I feel the hype on this one. 8. It 8, really. It's like bumping head song. Woo, I guess like 7. I reacted to this and get copyrighted, but still. Peak. So good, oh my god, bro. 9. Straight 9. They made the best Naruto opening for me. Monochrome no Keys. That's the name. Don't know. 8. You hear this guitar and this fucking what it's called? I forgot. That was 9. Oh my gosh. Underrated Naruto opening, bro. Underrated Naruto opening. 9. You hear this voice? That's straight 9. That was a straight 9. No pain, no game. I don't know. Sounds cool. 7. Oh yes! Oh yes, blast my ears. Oh yes. As much as I am a Naruto bias, I'm sorry. This is the best opening of all time. There is no better opening than this shit. You can't show me a better opening than this. Boa is a big group. React to every single, listen to every single song of them. It's my recommendation. It's peak 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I don't know. More than 10, probably. Yes, I just don't have anything to say. This is a peak song. I like her voice, I like the song itself. I know it fully. Like I can sing it myself, but I won't. Peak song. React to it, please. Please react to it. Listen, I mean. Peak as much as I can admire it as much as I can. More than Naruto, to be honest. I love this opening more than Naruto. Should I react to this series, or is it like dark? I don't know. I am afraid it's dark, so I won't. So yeah, let's just continue. If you have a friend that listens to this, make them your boyfriend or girlfriend. Oh, sounds good. I like the background song more than the voice. 7 for the background song. Is she naked? What a cool piano, bro. Wait, it just started playing and I was like, oh my god, the piano is peak. Am I loud? I don't know. Kanadeai by Itobukashi. That's the name, bro. 6 didn't do anything to me. It has to do something to me. Oh! Oh yeah! Good, very good Vinland Saga opening. Very good Vinland Saga opening. Should I react to the series, by the way? What series should I react to? Wait, is this anime about tennis? Wow. The Vinland Saga one was 9 and this was 7. You see how I didn't rate anything to 5 or less? This might be 5 though. Yeah, this is 5, I don't like it. Not bad. Okay, from what I hear it's not bad, okay? I would say 7. I think I reacted to this, I don't know. It sounds so good. I reacted to this from one of the videos of mine. Peak song, bro. I gotta react to this if I didn't. 9. I reacted to this song too, but not like fully. I have to react to this song fully. This is a 9 too. Was that the whole opening? Like the girl doing. Never mind. Never mind. That was 7. I like this song. I like this song. I like guitar and drums. It was 7. I'm sorry I'm not a fan of this voice, you know. Not something to the artist, but still. Like 5 for me. Oh, what an old ass anime, bro. That was a 6. Never mind 7. This ending is good. Is this what Bleach is about? Them running in desert. I'm sorry. 7. Digimon Adventure. Really, there was nothing else. What the fuck is that angel? It was 6. This feels like a very old anime, you know? You know what I mean? This feels like it. Auto-tune going crazy, bro, on this one. Wait, I didn't rate. This can be like 6, okay? That can be 6. This can. I don't like auto-tune, to be honest. I don't like auto-tune. That can be 7. This sounds so calm, you know? I like calm music. I like calm so much. The calm music was 8. That one was. Wait. That one was 6. And this one I reacted fully on my channel. Or not fully. I don't remember if fully or no. But I guess I got copyrighted. I don't remember. This was good. This is good. This is like 8. But was that a panda? I didn't saw that. Darkened in black. Is there something darker than black? I don't know. They did good. That's all I can say. It was like 6. I reacted to this, okay, I reacted to this. This was 8. Channel 1. This sounds like beginning of me. It was like 8. I mostly rate 8s. This 6. 6 is mid for me. 7 is average. 8 is good. When I do like this, it's like 9. 9 is like very good. And 10 is the best. One of the best, okay, to be honest. 10 is one of the best. Did I rate this one? I rated this 8 on my phone. Or at 9. I guess 9. Yeah, that was 9. I remember. This will be 6. This video is so long. I don't know. 6. For me 6, because this doesn't sound good enough. Again, 6. Oh my god, these drums! Peak 9. Did I? No, I didn't. I reacted to another My Hero opening. This I have to react to it firstly. 7. That was 7. Let's be honest. I don't know. 6. No, 7. Average. Imagine that this group mate is so good, bro. I just see this name and see like, oh my god. That was 9. Oh. Full Metal has so much good openings. It was 9. Again this group. It was 9 too. That group is peak. That song was that I didn't almost react to because copyright. That was 8. It 8, yeah. I'm a little sick today. If my reaction isn't like good enough, I'm sorry. Wait, I have to listen to this again. I like. Oh. I like, you know, I somehow skipped it. I didn't react to listen to this. 8. It's so strange. 6. I don't like much strange. Firstly, this is a 10. This is a fucking 10. Tell me wherever you want. This is one of the best. I'm not saying the best. One of the best Naruto openings of all time. One of the best, totally. Okay, the previous one. Do I say I didn't understand anything, even the song? I won't lie. I didn't. I just didn't. That can be 5. I'm sorry. 5 is like below mid. Below mid. It's like, you know, meh. It can't compare to this one. It can't. Up and stand up. Big song. Who doesn't agree he's good? I meant you don't have taste. You don't have taste if you don't agree on this one. Oh, I see that this group makes good music too. Spy Air. They made like previous ones. I don't remember which, but they were like 8, and this one is 10. I like the, you know, flow. One of the Naruto single, but this is like 7. I'm sorry. What can I say? This song was like 6. That wasn't bad. Maria from Gornidelo. That's the name. That was 7. What the fuck? I have to react to this. I'm a metal fan. I'm a metalhead. I don't look like one, cause you know. But still, that was insane. That was the most insane beginning I've heard. Look, I have ears now, cat ears. That's insane. It still goes. 9 from the beginning. It's 9. I think it's the group that made the most popular Naruto opening. I don't know. I reacted to top 100 most popular anime openings of all time. I guess it's that. It's this 8. Because I like his voice. I've heard this voice. I like the vibe. I like the vibe to this one, I'm sorry. Oh my god, I'm gonna sleep to this. No, 8. Every single fucking Attack on Titan opening, ending, and even few episodes is in my channel. Go and watch it, bro. I'll even put the Attack on Titan opening and ending reaction in the end of the video, so you can watch it. Just click and watch. So good. It is 9. I like that song. Wait, I reacted to this. I said it's lolly. This is like 7 or 8. Oh, insane CGI. I'm sorry. Insane in that way. It's a 7. Again. Why all of these new animes use bad CGI? What the fuck is going on? I'm sorry, what the fuck is going on the screen? That looked like a game character, by the way. The fuck is going on? Can I understand? Except the visuals, that was 6. With visuals 4 is bad. Don't know, like 7. I like this, like, you know. That was, I like the sound of it. That was 8. So no Frieren isn't like this candidate of anime of the year. I don't remember. It was like 8. I like the hype. I like the hype of this one. I really do. 8. Wow, what a cool song. Probably a 10. I don't know. You can't even use 10 seconds of it. Wait, what? I double checked to see if it's my issue, but it's not. What a cool song. Ooh, peak. Probably 10. I think I got a fucking fly in my mouth by opening it. Wait. My leg hurts so much. But, oh my god. It was a straight line. Oh! Gecko Pow Pow. Am I brain rotted now? Can I consider myself brain rotted after that? I think I can. I think I can, because that was Gecko Pow Pow. I don't know. I'll rate it Gecko Pow Pow out of 10. That's what I heard. This is like, I rated it 7 or 8. I didn't like it much of it. I'm sorry. Yeah, reaction channel. I wanna watch this. Firstly, if you say the art style sucks, because I guess the mangaka can draw, but still, that looks so cool. Oh my god, bro, it's so strange. Wait, it's so strange. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this facial animation? Who animated this? Was the animator high? Was he like... I don't know. What the fuck is this? Oh my god. You know what? I'll save this screenshot. I'll use this fucking screenshot as my fucking... as one as no wait, is there better one? Wait, guys, just wait. Wait, please, you have to examine this. You have to examine this facial animation. What the fuck is this? What do I look at? It's me when I get fried chicken and it's me when I get fried chicken and fried fries. Yeah. I like I will make this face for my fucking thumbnail. Oh my god, this is so funny. 10. I'm sorry, 10. This is the funniest thing today. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. that one was like 7. Don't compare. Again, kind of boom. I like his voice. 7 just because of his voice. Yamada-kun to level 99 no koi wo suru. Leveling up anime. That was 7. 6. I don't like the voice. Thank you, copyright. I love you, copyright. You're the best, copyright. I got copyrighted on this song, but it's so fucking good. It's 9.5. No, 9.9. It's not one of the best, but it's 9.9. I didn't react to this. I reacted to one of the last one. That one was 7. I gotta react to every single one. So. By the way, if the video gets like 20 likes, I react to most of these fully. The previous one was 7. This one is 6. Wait, is this the meme anime? Meme anime. Wait. Oh my god, it is. Oh my god. It's the wait. Wait. This face is so iconic, bro. This freaking face is so iconic. Is the oh my god and like the one with like hello everyone, how are you? Fine, thank you. Oh my god. that meme peak. For the meme I would say like 10, but the song itself is like 7. Doesn't do anything for me. Maybe I'm just tired. 6. No, I'm not tired. I am not tired. 8. Oh my god! I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, that is my nose. That is my nose. Just look at it, bro. Look at that motherfucker. It's as long as a plane. I'm worried about that baby. I'm sorry, I have to say that. Wait. I'm worried about that baby. One kiss. It loses its eyes. That song was 8. This one, I don't know. I don't feel anything about it. I would say 7. I react to this. This is like 20,000 very good. 9. No, that was 8.8. Good. By the way, about JoJo, first episode is my channel. Go watch it. And this is like the previous one was 7. I like hype like openings, you know, hype and call. Two opposites, but still. Oh wait, we have the same haircut. Look at this. Look at this bowl cut, bro. I just got cut, yeah. And like this can be 7. And the last one, please. Stains Gate again. But no, the previous one was better. The previous one, there is many videos in my channel of reacting to an anime openings and few anime endings. Also reacted to 2 shows, which one of which is Attack on Titan. Few episodes. I don't continue because I got no views. But if I get views, if I get 2,000 views on this video ever, I am going to react to Attack on Titan again. If I get 20 likes, I react to most of it. 50 openings from this list. If I get 20 likes. So, don't be a pussy. Subscribe button is fucking free. You know that. Subscribe button is free. Like button is free. Comment is just like clack, bro, by your fucking screen or keyboard. Just do it. It's not hard. Not hard as I am, at least. So, do it. It can promote me. I'll make better videos. I'll make peak fucking videos if you fucking subscribe and fucking like and fucking comment on my fucking channel. I have only 213 subs. I want 2 million. Yeah. I'll see you in my next videos. Please like, subscribe, as I said. I love you. I hope you love me. Goodbye.